Allie, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Allie, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. And what about you?
Okay. Hey, excellent. Well, I'm from America, but now at the moment I live in Vietnam.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Brett. Nice to meet you, Allie.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, you're so polite. Very nice. Allie, we have a little bit of time. I have some questions for you. What do you like to do?
I like to teach English to my students and it's all playing it's my favorite.
You play cricket? Wow. When I was younger, I used to play a little baseball, but then when I went to Australia, I learned how to play cricket, and I love to play cricket, but I'm not very good at playing cricket.
No, you have to practice.
I
You have to
know that's
practice.
true. That is true. Practice makes perfect. Excellent. So, Ali, what time is it in Pakistan now?
In Pakistan is 8:33.
In the morning, right?
Yes,
Okay, so what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, you speak good English. Excellent. Fantastic. So, Ali, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to teach my students English and to play cricket with my friends.
That's awesome. High five. How many students do you have, Ali?
I have I don't have like school or institute. I have my channel and I teach English, my YouTube
Wow.
channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes,
Oh, hey, that's so cool. And Ali, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Wow, that's amazing. You're amazing. 8 years old. You speak really good English. How did you learn English so well?
I to teach me English and I was working very hard for it. I learned English in 3 months.
Oh, wow, you are amazing, Ali. Wow, I'm so proud of you. That's so cool. And so, Ali, are you on a summer holiday, or do you go to school on Monday?
We are now on summer holidays.
Oh, you're lucky. So, what are you going to do this summer?
I had to go to there is no beach nearby. Like I have to go to like a river or these kind of places
Okay, do you go
to
swimming
cool
in the
myself.
river?
Yes,
I know, me too. When I was younger, your age, in America, where I lived in America, there was no beach where I lived. And so my brother and I, and maybe some of our friends, we would go swimming in the river as well. We go
yes.
swimming and maybe go fishing too.
Uh, do you play? Do you play video games?
I do play video games, Minecraft, League of Legends. I do play. Do you play any games?
I yes, I play.
What's your favorite game, Allie?
My favorite game is World War Heroes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it's like an army game, right?
Yes, I
Hey, those
love
are cool.
playing army games.
Yeah, army games are cool. Hey, excellent. Fantastic. Oh, Allie, I wish I had more time to have you in my class. Your English is so good. You're polite. You have a good personality. Allie, I'm proud of you. And you have your own
Thanks,
YouTube channel and you're teaching other
thanks.
children. That's fantastic.
Yes.
High five, Allie.
Hello,
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah, and what about you?
My name is Lynn. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. And what about
Pakistan.
you?
I'm from America, but right now I live in Thailand.
Thailand, okay.
Yes. Have you been to Thailand?
No,
Oh, I've
I'm-
never been to.
I've never been to Thailand.
Oh, have you been to any other countries beside Pakistan?
No,
No traveling. Okay. Sorry, I have something in my throat. What do you like to do?
I
Well,
like to explore volcanoes.
to explore volcanoes.
Yes,
Have you been inside a volcano before?
no,
No, you do like books about volcanoes?
yes, and I search about too.
Yeah, you can search a lot of things. I have been inside a volcano before. No, not you, me. When I was traveling in America, there is a small volcano and you can go and walk on top of it.
Okay,
Do you know about that
wow,
volcano? Yeah,
no,
it's very black everywhere because
oh, wow,
when a volcano erupts, it burns everything and then you have volcanic rock, which is black.
like when lava cools down.
Yeah, exactly. Have you seen that before?
No, I've seen in videos,
Only in videos? Okay.
and
Like, huh?
I found a rock of volcano.
You found a volcano rock? Can you see
Yes,
my screen?
yes, I can.
So, you see this volcano here?
Yes,
I walked, not this volcano, but similar volcano, I walk across the top.
you you cross this on top.
Yeah, because it is an older volcano and hasn't erupted in a long time. And there are many rocks that look like this one.
Okay, my rock my rock was black and in it was small holes.
Black with small, small holes. Yeah, that is normal volcanic rock. If it is black with small, small holes, because it
Yes.
burns through.
How old are you?
Me, I'm 37 years old.
37 years old.
Yeah, 37.